LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here within this move, we mentioned we expecting the price to drop because we're looking for one more drop. This is what we get. Okay, now the thing is how deep this one can go. And as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, the price broke this low. We want to see whether we can get for buy or not, or still we can expect the down move. And if we get a sell, we can trade it, but any sell will be short term sell. All right, now we move to daily chart. We have nothing to talk based on daily chart. Best is okay. We move to 4 hour chart. Based on our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we want to see whether we can put this one relative to this for one more bigger correction relative to this for one more drop. Okay, as we can see the price, this correction in terms of the length is not same as this, but as we were expected the price to drop, okay, and even broke this low. The only thing is how deep this one can go. Whether we can put this one in relative to the this, that means if we put this one in relative to each other, still we can expect this one to drop a bit more. That's why when I was thinking, it's still because first of all, as you can see, the price broke this low, and what we are more interested any reversal. But if there is a continuation, still we can expect the price to take this line, which is 140, and if break, the next one will be 112. Okay, because if I remove everything, because this one is still the price can drop and retest this low. That's why the breakout of this may the price can be within this range. Okay, the max what we expect the price can be within this 112. Okay, then before we take the reversal. Okay, I mean we get the reversal. The thing is the we want to know how deep this one can go. Whether this one can take this one or not, we are not sure. But for this one, the first one 140, still we can expect the price continue and take this one. By the way, we don't need to care about that right now. Any buy setup we get, we take it. And if we see the price broke the low, and if we compare this one in relative to this, we can see we have a divergence as well here. All right. Now the thing is how we can trade it. If we get the trade setup, whether for buy or sell. First of all, again, based on 1 hour chart, we wanna, as we can see the breakout, we wanna put this one. We see what do we have divergence here. Okay, based on 1 hour chart, and based on MACD, we have a divergence, and based on here as well, we have a divergence. But if there is a continuation, may not. Okay, then again, divergence is just additional information for us. We are not using as a signal for trade. Now the thing is, first of all, how deep this one can go. As I mentioned, still we can expect that the same length of this. That means still we can expect the price at least to drop to 140. But if we want to trade, if we get a correction here, a small correction, still we traders, they can look for sell, but any sell will be short term. Okay, because as we can see, the possibility of the reversal is high. Okay, again, we are more interested in the buy if we get a buy, whether from here or if the price drop one more. Any buy setup we get it. I mean, we trade it. Based on what we have right now, the first things we can see any sharp move with the correction because we don't have the trade setup right now. Okay, the thing is, if we want to trade based on what we have right now, may just we put our line here as indicative. Okay, this one is just as indicative, is nothing. If we want to trade, we mentioned whether from here of the price drop lower, any reversal with the flag, we can trade it. That means if we get the price sharply move, breakout with a small correction of flag, we take the trade. And when the price, it depends where we get. If this one GPR is better, but if we get a trade, we see it's not moving, and even the price tag this one, top, we see is really corrective, we take out the trade. Why? How about if this what we have drop, this one turn to another correction for one more drop, bigger correction. Okay, and I don't think we can get any trade stop within this range. And even if we move to 15 minute, okay, as I say, we don't need to really wait for the breakout. If we see any sharp move with the flag, we can take it. But if we get this one, for example, below this trend line, and we see the price is not moving, is returned to a really corrective, and it cannot break this trend line, we don't stay with the trade. Okay, now the thing is, if we move to 1 hour chart again, we're looking for buy, as I mentioned. At least we need a sharp move with the flag or correction. And another thing, can we have entry above this? Again, this is a really risky if we want to have entry above this, but still we can expect in case the price sharply can move, similar to what we had here. Okay, because the last time we had in triple, the price tag move when the price was within this one, we mentioned it's not moving, we move our stop loss to break even. Okay, anyway, traders who have experience, they can take the risk, they can have in trade of this. And what they want, we want the price tag and continue. If the price tag is not moving within the 1 or 2 hours, we take out the trade. We don't want to stay with the trade, similar to what we had here. Why? We want to, if we can, I mean, this one considered as a one of the option. In case, as we can see, the price have broke this low, in case this is a start of the up move, or at least the price can come to this line, high. Okay. By the way, if any trade from here, tag this is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. By the way, right now we don't have any trade set up. We're looking for the reversal, and right now is also we cannot jump in because still we can expect the full correction for one more drop. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup or any update, I will share. Thanks.